How to fix Wi-Fi not working issue on iPhone. First of all, we will check by turning the Wi-Fi off and on. Firstly, let's open the settings application on the iPhone device. And you want to go into Wi-Fi and simply turn it off. You can turn it back on after 20 to 30 seconds. If it does not resolve the issue, then press on the I button and click on the forget this network and forget. Now what you can do is go back and rejoin it by putting in the password. A trick that works well to resolve these kinds of issues is to go to the settings menu, click on the general and scroll all the way down until you see the shutdown button. You can restart your device now. Also make sure that the software that you're using is up to date to the latest iOS version. Then you can go back to the settings and scroll all the way down until you see your Safari app. Now scroll all the way down until you see the clear history and website data. I simply want to clear all of my history and that's it. This is how to fix Wi-Fi not working issue. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.